Pull. Provioso. Gotta put some V power in this thing. Are you freaking kidding me?
What?
It all over everything.
It's a good day for you. You should.
Dude, all over my phone.
Dude, I fucking love it. I fucking love it. Whenever you go with me, you fucking can't stop laughing.
Dude, it's literally over everything. It's sprayed all over the whole deck. Meu Jesus da dor. What are you doing? What are you doing? It looks like there's a little scuff.
Dude, we're fine.
شوف لحظة لحظة شوف بسم الله عليك
You work on him. Hey.
Get this. Assholes, man.
Hey, you good? Look at me. I gotta make sure you're good, alright? Look at me. Look at me. Do you know where you are?
Yeah, no, I know I'm downtown with y'all, but dude, my whole fucking leg, I can't. My ankle fucking hurts.
I got you, man. Let me take a look at it real quick. Which one is it? This one? I'm gonna move your pants, alright?
My bad about it. This is the first time, you know, but
You shouldn't be running red lights, man. You gotta follow the fucking...
Yeah, no. She didn't know, you know, so I'm right here, though.
Yeah.
Ain't no hit and running shit, type of shit.
Nah, man. That's why you gotta fucking follow the stop sign, man. Those things go fast as
Yeah.
Hey, you good?
My fucking ankle, bro.
Alright, just talk to me. I gotta make sure you're not fucking...
I got EMS on the way, just sleep with.
Alright.
Were you on the bike or?
Yeah, he hit me.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
You're crossing the street against that.
Yeah.
He just came out of fucking nowhere.
They're going across the street. He was on his bike, and this guy was walking against the red.
Yeah, we were already coming through. He just fucking ran into me.
Yeah, I got it. We had the green light.
I was right behind you.
Yeah.
That's why I fucking hate those things, man. People driving like assholes and that shit, not even following the damn...
In my defense, if you saw me, you saw that I wasn't by myself, my boy, you know?
Yeah, but I mean...
But I'm taking... But I'm here, though, you know? I'm here.
I mean, I feel you, man, but still, you know? Like, this could have been avoided.
Yeah.
Bike at? Who was the one that bumped into him? You? Where's your bike at?
He's got my bike over there.
Okay. You need EMS?
No, they're gonna check me, but I'm fine. I don't think it's broken. He just came out of nowhere. We were already all churning. The light was green.
Okay. All right, give me a minute.
No, I'm okay.
Okay, you got an ID, bud? You got one?
2340.
You good now?
Hey, Cardo! What? Hey, Cardo! Audio... Hey, Cardo! Music off! Hold on! What? Oh, alright. Okay.
Susto e o cara é 4 todo dia, toda hora, mano. Olha o bugzinho que vai passar aqui agora, que da hora. Tá, não. Caraca, bicho. Caraca, bicho. Ah, não, mano.
Foi a lateral aqui.
Ah, só que não.
Esse daqui é frágil e soltou, pô.
Ah, entendi. Achei que tinha amassado aqui.
Não, foi só aqui mesmo.
Mas aqui já tava?
Não, mas isso daí é...
É muito cara de pau, né, mãe? O que, porra? Tem um pare ali, filho de moça. Cara de pau. Meu da... Oh shit. No.
You good, dude? Are you sure?
Airbag.
Oh my god! It worked!
Call somebody to come help. Oh no.
We're good. Thank you, sir. I saw you take that right turn. I was like, oh shit. Are you okay though? Do you feel any pain in your legs? Cause you
A little bit in my ankle, but
okay? Cause you did land on your right hand side, right? Okay. I'm gonna do a quick check on your legs, okay? All right. Do you feel any pain?
no, not painful.
Okay. I'm gonna give you 3 words to remember. All right? Pink, hippopotamus, and sky. I'm glad you're all right, man. That means you can ride another day. Yeah, bro. Gear saves lives.